Hi everyone. So I'm gonna do a carrot cake today, a quick and simple carrot cake. So I have about 600 grams of carrots over here, and I have 300 grams of sugar here, and I have 400 grams of flour. I have 2 bananas. I'm gonna use some ginger, cinnamon, and nutmeg, baking powder, and a bit of vanilla. And I'm going to use 6 eggs for this and a pinch of salt. So let's get started. It's going to be very quick and nice. So let me put the I'm going to move this here. That's it. So in here, I'm gonna add where I have all my dry ingredients. So I'm gonna take a teaspoon. How many teaspoons of baking powder? 4 teaspoons of baking powder. 4 teaspoons of baking powder. So I'll put the dry ingredients first, mix them together. 4 teaspoons. So we're gonna be leveled teaspoon 1, 2. Leveled 1, 3, 4, and then half teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda. Half teaspoon. Gonna add half teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda. Now leveled. And then we're gonna add our salt. We don't want too much salt, but we're gonna have half teaspoon as well. I'm gonna add half teaspoon, leveled as well, half teaspoon of salt, sea salt. After that, I'm gonna add my spices. So I have 2 teaspoons of ginger. I'm checking the, 2 teaspoons of ginger. So it's gonna have that nice kick of it. Just 2 teaspoons of ginger. 2 teaspoons of ginger. 1. It wasn't very full, so because of the bit that, and 2. And I'm gonna have, close that. 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. Woo! Ginger smells good. The cinnamon. 2 teaspoons as well. And a teaspoon of nutmeg. You can see, lovely. Want all those nice flavors to go in. So whilst I have my dry ingredients, I'm just gonna mix the thing. Let's see. Once I have my dry ingredients, I'm just gonna mix them together. So we have a program tomorrow. This cake is for the church tomorrow, so hope it tastes good. And then I have how many grams of sugar? So I reduced the grams of sugar. Instead of putting, it was supposed to be 600, actually put 300, because that's just too much sugar. So that's 300 grams of sugar. Mix that together. This is a quick and very simple cake. So now that we've done that, I am going to add, did I tell you I have 200 ml of oil in here? 200 ml of oil. 200 ml. So in this 200 ml, I'm going to add my eggs, maybe 6 eggs. And I'll whisk them together. So I have to give them 1 egg. 2, 3, 4, you mix that with the oil. Put like that. And then I'm gonna just whisk this. I have to be quite careful so it doesn't splash everywhere. So just mix the oil and the eggs together. There we go. And then once we have the big oil, so we're gonna mix that, and I'll pour 2 teaspoons of vanilla inside there. 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and then I'm gonna pour an opening. Can you see? Yeah. So I'll pour all my wet ingredients there. I'm gonna add my 2 mashed bananas. Sorry. The oven is already on, so it's gonna be 180 degrees. It's already on. It's been on for about 15 minutes. 10-15 minutes. Yeah. So you put your banana, you put your oil, and then you put your carrots. I know you say, oh, that's so much carrot, but that is a carrot cake. That's what's going to make it moist, because it's a carrot cake. You see, you need all those nice carrots. If you want, you can actually add your nuts and stuff, but I'm not going to add the nuts because just in case somebody's allergic to nuts. So, because this is not mine, so I'm not going to add the nuts. And we're just going to fold it, baby. Just fold that in. Fold it in, and it's going to be happy with you. So we have 6 eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and 200 mils of oil, 2 bananas, 2 teaspoons of ginger, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, half teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda. What else did I put? 4 teaspoons of baking powder, because we want you to rise. We want this thing to rise. Half a teaspoon of salt, and 300 grams of plain flour. What else did I put? 300 grams of plain flour, 300 grams of sugar, and 600 grams of carrots. Look at that. So just make sure you mix it well. You mix it well. All the dry bits are mixed together. So also just folding it. You see, one thing with flour, it doesn't like to be mixed too much because of the gluten in it. So once you see that everything is mixed together, voila, that's it. You get your baking tin. Where's my baking tin? There's my baking tin. Properly lined. Closer, can you see? Okay, get my baking tin, and I'm just gonna add my wet ingredients in there. Sorry, my helper. Where does my help come from? Baby, baby, hey. Ooh, yeah. Now, this looks good. So it's really nice with the pecan nuts or the walnuts. You can do that, but I don't want to put any nuts in it, just because of it's going for the bake sale, and in case somebody's allergic to nuts and they just want a carrot cake, but a carrot cake without nuts. So isn't this the quickest cake ever? So I'm gonna take a picture when it's done and show you guys. So I have to put it in the oven now, and then once it's done, I'm gonna take a picture.
When?
Okay, when it's done. My daughter is busy controlling, showing me the proper Irish English. Anyway, so I'll talk to you guys later, and stay blessed.